Children, opening journal entry. What is opening journal entry? It is simply called the opening entry. It is the entry. Through which the closing balances of previous year are brought forwarded to the current year's books of accounts. See that we know the nominal accounts are closed by transferring the balance to either trading account or the profit and loss account. But assets which will give us benefit for future, that their balances remained. And likewise liabilities which are to be paid in future, they will be carried forwarded. So here the books are closed at the end of the accounting year. We have seen accounting period concept. According to that concept, the current year books are closed at the end of the year and the new books are opened for the next year. So here the balances are remained with us, the accounts, assets and liabilities. So how to bring them to the current year's books? So a journal entry is passed on the first day of the next accounting year to bring the balances of the previous year's assets and liabilities to the current year. How to pass journal entry? By passing a journal entry. Yeah, the first journal entry which is passed in the new books is in the new journal is opening journal entry or simply opening entry. Why is it passed? To bring the balances of assets and liabilities of previous year to the current year. We know the rules of debit and credit. All the assets are debited individually and all the liabilities are credited, and the difference between them is capital. If capital is given, both are tallied, it is okay. If not tallied, if the debits are lesser, then the difference will be put to goodwill account. The difference between them will be debited to goodwill account. Suppose the debit balances are greater than the credit balances including capital, then the difference will be put to capital reserve. What it is? Capital reserve account. Here no space is there. Capital reserve account. This is about the opening journal entry or opening entry. What is opening entry? It is the journal entry through which the balances of assets and liabilities of previous year are brought forwarded to the books of the current year by passing of course a journal entry is passed. That journal entry is known as opening journal entry or simply opening entry. How is it passed? That we know all the assets are having debit balances, those are debited here individually, and the liabilities if are credited, along with that capital account is also credited. Suppose in the question only assets and liabilities are given, then the difference will be of capital, and by that debits should be equal to credits. And if not equal, then if debits are lesser than credits, then the balance will be debited to goodwill account, and on the other hand, if the assets are greater than, debits are greater than the credits, then the difference will be credited to capital reserve. This is the opening journal entry or opening entry. More examples I shall give you in written. Okay.